Hey friend, you over there, gather around, because I've got the inside scoop on this incredible and all-inclusive program that's taking San Bernardino by storm. It's the Back to Nature program. This fantastic nature program is funded by the Outdoor Equity Grant Program created through AB 209 and administered by California State Parks Office of Grants and Local Services. It's designed to take community members of all ages, from youth to teens, seniors, and entire families on unforgettable adventures in nature. Picture this: overnight camping escapades at YMCA Camp Elk for the youth, a family camping trip under the stars at Silverwood Lake, a specially curated winter camping experience for individuals with disabilities in the mountains at Lake Arrowhead, and even an overnight beach camping extravaganza at Leo Carrillo State Beach. But wait, there's more. Day trips that'll have you hiking to the mesmerizing waterfalls of Etiwanda Nature Reserve or the top of Mount Rubidoux and soaking in the wonders of SeaWorld San Diego. And that's not all. We've got the Back to Nature Club, where youth can come together and make a difference in their community and champion environmental justice through cool activities like community cleanups and more. So if you're itching for some fun, looking to make a positive impact, or just want to soak up the beauty of nature, the Back to Nature program is where it's at. For all the info on how to join in on these amazing activities, you can call me, Miss Trina, at 909-601-1566 or email me at shelton-more_tr@svcity.org.